In this video, I'm going to show you how to use follow-up emails on WooCommerce. So I'm going to explain how to do it step by step in this video. The first thing you want to do is you want to log into your WordPress account and go to the dashboard. I'm at the dashboard right now, and then you want to go to the left to plugins and add a new plugin. As you can, I already installed the plugin. The plugin is called WooCommerce Cart Abandonment Recovery. You want to add this this plugin, WooCommerce Cart. You can just type this in, and as you can see, this is the plugin you want to use by Cart Flows. I already installed it, so install this and then continue. Then you can go back to WooCommerce and go to Cart Abandonment, the last one over here. Hit this, and then you can set up follow-up emails right here. To set it up, edit. You got 3. You can also make more, but I recommend using 3. You can activate them by activating it. You can edit it, and as you can see, it already has a default template. So this template is actually very good. If you're just starting out with follow-up emails, just leave it like this. But if you want to customize it how you want this. So this email, send this email 30 minutes after cart is abandoned. I want to change this to 1 hour. I want to recommend you all to use 1 hour and send the test email to your email address of the website. Mine is info@testinghowto.com. Update changes and basically do the same thing with the other 2. So you want to go back, go to sample email template 2, 1 day after, and this one is 3 days after. So you want to keep it like this. So if you want to use follow-up emails and see how you have to edit them, how to use it on your website. For example, if you have a cat website, you can put something like, oh, thanks for buying on our cat web shop, something like that. Just do it in your own website style. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time.
Bye.